Hey guys, today I'll be making the TikTok viral feta pasta. These are your ingredients, and then you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. First, you're going to put your tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil in a glass pan. Then you're going to add your feta block in the middle, some more olive oil, and some basil. Then you're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes, boil your pasta, and this is what it should look like coming out of the oven. Then you're going to add your noodles, a half cup of noodle water, and some salt and pepper, and stir. My initial rating is a 10 out of 10. Hey guys, today I made the Gigi Hadid TikTok pasta. These are the ingredients you'll need for start to finish. So first you're going to add your onions, garlic, and olive oil. You're going to let those onions caramelize a little bit, and then you're going to add your tomato paste. It'll start to look like this. Then you're going to add red pepper flakes, the half a cup of cream. Then it should start to look like this after it's combined. Then I added salt, pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a tablespoon of butter, and my noodles, and 1/4 cup of noodle water. Then I added an Italian cheese blend to taste, and there's my finished product. Overall, this dish was really great. 10 out of 10, would recommend.